In this example, you're solving a logarithmic equation. Again, the 3 steps to follow. Step number 1 is to isolate the logarithmic term on one side of the equation. So when I see here in my problem, my 12 ln x plus 5, this is my logarithmic term. So I'm going to keep that on one side and move the 2 to the other side of the equation. It's a negative 2. So the problem goes 12 ln x plus 5, which is my logarithmic term. I have a minus 2 is equal to 22. So I'm going to move the 2 to the other side, which is going to be 12 ln x plus 5 is equal to 24. Now, next step would be to eliminate the 12, and I can do that by dividing 12 both sides. So my left hand side would be now just x ln 5 is equal to 24 divided by 12 would be 2, right? So then now the next step in here for this problem is to write the equation in exponential form, or it means it's raised to the power each base to the equation. Now, one thing to remember is we can write it in general. If I have a logarithmic equation, let me say I'll put letter m and a here. Now this could be written as an exponential, and I would say, let me put an r there. This could be written as an exponential form. Base to the power of r is equal to m. So in general, if I want to write a formula kind of thing, I could say log, and if I say what is here is the argument, and let me use the term other side. This is for convenience to remember it, okay, and I'll call this as a base. This could be said as base to the power of the other side is equal to argument. And this is always true, which means if you have an exponential equation, you can write it as a log, or if you have a log, you can write it as an exponent. So if I apply that here, when I see this ln, actually I'm seeing a log base e, right? So x plus 5 equal to 2. Therefore, this would be x plus 5 is equal to e squared. Now we all know e is a number, right? So x is equal to e squared minus 5. Again, it says rounded to 6 decimal places. Therefore, I'm going to put this in my calculator. Okay, put this in my calculator. So e squared minus 5. And so the answer is going to be 2.389056. 2.389056. And this should be the answer to this question.